Hey guys, Michigan EDC here, coming at you with another knife video. Today we're going to be comparing the ZT-0512 and the Benchmade Casbah autos. Let's dive on in. First, we have, let's go blades. With the ZT, we have about a 3.5-inch blade, 3.4-inch blade of Crewwear, CPM Crewwear steel. With the Benchmade Casbah, we have about a 3.4-inch blade of S30V steel. If I have to choose one or the other, I am probably taking Crewwear over S30V. That's just my take. Crewwear, I think, sharpens a little bit better. I like the edge it holds better, but S30V is easier to sharpen than Crewwear is, so take it for what you will. In the system that I have, the Benchmade is easier to sharpen than the ZT. So, sharpenability, I'm going to go Benchmade. Steel choice, I'm going to go ZT. Let's do handle materials. With the ZT, we have titanium and micarta over stainless steel. And the Benchmade, we just have Grivery. I don't like the Grivery at all. It feels very cheap. And if I would have bought this knife, I would have been very disappointed in how it felt. Put it in perspective, guys. Again, if you haven't watched my video on the Casbah, I found it. I got really lucky in finding it. But it is a $250 knife. It doesn't feel like it. It feels like a toy with the handles. I hate the safety on it. I don't think automatic knives need safeties, except for maybe single action autos. That's a story for another day. Single action OTFs, I should say. Excuse me. Handle materials, I'm going ZT all day. Pocket clip, no comparison. I'm taking the ZT as well. With the ZT, you get a deep carry clip that actually goes up all the way, and it rides phenomenally in the pocket. As you can see, I still got some pocket material on there. New pair of shorts. It's not because of the pocket clip. It's fine. The Benchmade's is too long, and I just bent it back, but it did bend out. That's kind of how I found it. ZT on the pocket clip too. This is not going the way I thought it was going to go, guys. For the price, I would go with the ZT. It's almost $100 more at $320 versus $250 with the Benchmade. But I do think you are getting a lot more knife for the money with the ZT. I think you'll be happier with it. It comes out more authoritatively. The Benchmade comes out nice. Very, very nice. I can't speak anything ill of that. But it doesn't thwack like the ZT does. The ZT just comes out like a cannon. It is that big, heavy blade of Crewwear just smacking that stop pin. If it's my money, I'm buying the ZT if I have to choose one. I've handled autos from Benchmade before, other ones. I haven't been terribly impressed with them. I'm not going to pay the butterfly tax just because it's made in the USA and says Benchmade. I'm not doing it anymore, guys. I have a few Benchmades that I love. I will never get rid of them. But overall, they got to step up their game to get my money now. When stuff like this is out. For a little bit more, I get much better materials. Why am I going to pay for arguably inferior materials? Yes, the Gryvery holds up better in adverse conditions. Put those away so I don't end up accidentally cutting myself on camera. But the Gryvery holds up better, arguably, in adverse conditions. But T6 screws all around. Guys, come on. A manual safety. On out the side auto. Benchmade, step up your game. Do a little better. If it's my money, I'm sticking with ZT for an American made out the side auto versus the Benchmades. That's just me. Let me know what you guys think down below. This has been Michigan EDC. Like, comment, subscribe.